Welcome to Mishna study. Masachet Eruvin Perek Chet Mishnah Tet. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss pouring water into your courtyard. So let's say you have a courtyard. If it's a big courtyard and you have a bucket of water, you pour it into the yard, and it'll hang out there, right? It'll seep into the dirt and whatnot. But let's say it's a really small courtyard, and you take a lot of water and you pour it into the courtyard. What could happen from your pouring? Right? From your koach, right? What you did, you're going to cause the water to go out into the Reshut Rabim. And you basically will be carrying from the Reshut Yachid to the Reshut Rabim. So how big does the courtyard need to be for you to pour water in? Just into the courtyard itself. And if it is too small, what could you do to prevent yourself from carrying from Reshut Yachid to Reshut Rabim? So hatzer shipechutam and ba'amot. If you have a hatzer that's less than 4 amot by 4 amot, wide, and shofchim letocha mayim b'Shabbat, you cannot pour water into that courtyard on Shabbat. Ela im ken sula uka mahzeket sa'atayim min ha'nekev ulematan. Unless you make a man-made pit, right, fashioned pit, to hold 2 se'ah of liquid, of volume, from this nekev ulematan, right, from the hole and downward. Whether you make this in the Reshut Yachid or if it even goes into the Reshut Rabim. Now, if you make the pit outside, tzarich likmor. Likmor means you need to go ahead and cover it. You need to put some type of really like a roof on top of it. So it's not an actual really in the Reshut Rabim. And Rambam over here says that you have to go ahead and build this, kimur on top, to separate it from the Reshut Rabim. It sounds like over here from the Pirush Mishna that it's actually isur if it would have gone out to the Reshut Rabim. In the Chibur, in the Mishnah Torah, it sounds like it's more of an issue what it may look like, but from here in the Pirush Mishna, it actually sounds like there's an isur involved if you go ahead and pour it. You pour the water and it goes outside. So what do? You cover it, and now it separates it from the from the Reshut Rabim, right? Kimur, likmor is from the language of shesh eglot sav, right? When the Levim had the wagons, shesh eglot sav. Sav is a turtle, right? But what does it say over there? Kimurot, right? Kimurot means like the shell of a turtle, right? They're covered, right? So the same idea over here. If you make that pit outside, that little ditch outside, you need to go ahead and cover it so it's separated, distinguished from the Reshut Rabim.